25-187, CRB 25-188, CRB 24-788.
Okay, so we had the conference in chambers and we're able to get in touch with Dorothy O'Neill, who's over Courtroom / Southeast Ohio Forensic Services, I think is what they go by. And, all right, now Mr. Earls is back on the teleconference. So, Mr. Earls, what we have decided is you're going to be evaluated by Southeast Ohio Forensic, and we kind of moved it up rather than having to wait for a period of time. We're going to go ahead and send it in immediately under case number CRA 25-187. They said they would start that process. But the case has already been waived to the grand jury. I just noticed that they're in the file. I forgot that.
I was already late, yes.
So, but let's use this case number, at least get it started and not have to wait. So my suggestion would be, I'm kind of thinking out loud here, is to start that process and then come back in a few weeks just to see where we are on things and see if the evaluation's happened yet. And it's my understanding, one of the reasons we have to do that is the complaining party is unavailable to testify. If the upcoming grand jury would have to come to a later grand jury, which would put this off if we delayed it to wait for that. So everybody's in agreement with what I just laid out?
Yes, I am, Judge.
Yes, okay. So I'm thinking probably 3 weeks, come back in 3 weeks. So that would be June the 9th, I believe.
I'm here then, Judge.
Okay, next hearing is June the 9th, and the clerk here will send the appropriate notification on to Southeast.
And we talk about no more bond,
We can talk about it. What's the state's position?
We would be opposed to that, Your Honor.
Okay, under the circumstances, I'm not going to allow it. Next hearing is June the 9th.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, that finishes up at the jail.
State of Ohio versus Bryce McGinnis, case number CRA 25-299, TRD 25-987.
they're fucking me, they're really.
Your Honor,
All right, sir, you're Bryce McGinnis,
Yes, sir.
and you've received a copy of the charges?
Yeah.
Okay. The most serious is the CRA 25-299, receiving stolen property charge. It's a felony of the 4th degree, and it alleges that at Perry Township on May 16, you did receive, retain, or dispose of property being a 2008 Suzuki motorcycle, and gives the VIN number, which I'm not going to read, and that you knew or had reason to know it had been obtained by a theft offense. That's a felony of the 4th degree, carries a maximum penalty of 30 days in jail. Felony 4 is 18 months in jail and a $5,000 fine. I was thinking of an M4. Felony 4 is 18 months in jail, $5,000 fine. That's the maximum you can get on that charge. Then you've got a traffic charge, 25-987. That alleges that you failed to display plates on May the 16th at 8:34 p.m. in Perry Township. That is a minor misdemeanor, maximum penalty for that's $150 fine. Do you understand the two charges?
Yes, sir.
You have a bond up, you've already posted a bond.
Yes, sir.
Do you have the money to hire a lawyer?
Yes.
Have you hired a lawyer?
Not yet, no. It was the weekend. I hadn't had a chance yet.
Okay, so you don't want to be considered for a court-appointed lawyer?
No.
Okay. You have the right, since you're out on bond, we can go 15 days for what's called a preliminary hearing. It's the first, when there's a felony, it's so serious, it's considered that the court needs to have a check on the prosecutor to make sure they've got probable cause to even file the charges. That's called a preliminary hearing. We can we're supposed to do it within 15 days unless you want more time, and it's up to you. If you want it in 15 days, I'll set it within 15 days. If you want more time to try to get a lawyer, I can go further out. Do you want it within 15 days, or do you want more time?
I'm not sure how long it'll take me to find one, but I have the money to find one, so I can do 15 days.
Okay.
Thank you.
And this was... So probably the 30th then would be within 15 days, May 30th. So I'm going to set your next hearing for May 30th.
Yes, sir.
And it'll be the preliminary hearing and pre-trial.
You said it was when? Sorry.
May 30th at 10 o'clock. So that's not this Friday, but a week from this Friday.
Alrighty.
And then your bond is continued that you posted. And I'm putting down you will hire a lawyer. So if you hire a lawyer and they tell you, I can't be there on the 30th, but I want you to come on June 2nd or whatever date they give you, you come when they tell you. 'Cause
Yes, sir.
They could ask the court to continue it to another day. Do you have any questions of me?
No, sir.
Okay, as of now, it's May 30th at 10 o'clock.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Court's adjourned.
Wait a minute.
Like, you see, something's wrong.
Yeah.
So I didn't know, like, a person.
Oh.
Depends on
That was
business.
upside down.
He just moved the way, so y'all got that.
Yeah, so, I can go back, because I just ran her through our system by Mary Ann.
Yeah, it is, it's tension.
Okay, so I went through to ask Tanisha, and say if she wants to read it. Yes.
Okay,
Unless you need more, you know.
I'll just shoot you a text. That's, I get, sometimes they'll believe in me, at least I know. So that's how I've been waiting to see what happens if we're coming back again. Then I'll ask you for them. That way you don't have to waste your CD and, you know.
If we go for it, we just go back, pull it off the shelf. And,
Do you format them yet? Do you reformat them? Oh, you just get it from Walmart?
Yeah.
Oh. Like, I format
Make
some
sure
of
you
mine.
pay for them.
Yeah, make sure you pay for them.
We got a store use it, so it just goes into, like an inventory, store use say.
Oh, okay.
Hey, thank you for, I don't know if word got to you or not, but I had kind of a request to make sure that the video covers, kind of everything we did in the store. It kind of helps tell the story.
Yeah, we've been trying to do better at, like, keeping them, as they go out the door, whatever.
Yeah, that's good. And,
It helps your case too.
yeah,
Yeah.
it makes it easier for me, because I don't want to be bothering you all the time, calling you and saying, asking you details. Well,
Right.
The more details I get, the easier it is for me. And it's easier to get them to plead guilty, the more detail I have.
Right. Yeah, we're used to short and sweet report, so.
Yep.
We've been trying to do extensive on the video.
Yeah, and also the fact that the videos aren't pixelating, we're having a problem with that.
We got a.
That's all fixed.
We got an upgraded server now and whatnot.
Oh, okay, good.
Every now and then we get a little bit of pixelation, but it's not as bad as it used to be from over top.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
That's all good news.
All right, then.
Appreciate it.
Thank you.
If you got anything else, just give us a holler.
Okay.
Thank you.
There's a lot in here that I don't know what happened.
Well, let's see if we can figure it out. I think maybe I can tell you a couple of them.
Okay.
Yeah, because I didn't have a lot of those files, and I just faked it.
No. What?
Yeah.
Okay, did they call Timothy White or Aaron Wells?
Aaron Wells, they did.
Okay.
They called it when I was, that was an arraignment, right?
Right.
And so I don't know when that was set.
Yeah, failure to confine dogs.
Again. He's had one in the past. These dog cases.
I'm telling you what, they're out of control. It's gonna get worse in the summer too.
YouTube is a long. I just checked it out. I try to check it every time after court. So.
Thank you.